In this video, I will show you how you can change the region of the Galaxy Store on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now, as you can see in our region, the Good Guardians app is not available in the Galaxy Store. Now, to change the region of the Galaxy Store, first of all, just grab the SIM card ejection tool which comes with your smartphone in the box, or you can use any other SIM card ejection tool. Now, after you do that, then just grab your phone. Now just insert the SIM card ejection tool in the SIM card tray hole at the bottom of your phone. Now just push it a little bit. Now after that, just take out your SIM card tray. Now from here, just take out your SIM cards from your phone. Now after you do that, now just place them aside and insert the empty SIM card tray back in your phone. Now after you remove your SIM cards from your phone, now if you have added any eSIM in your phone, just go to settings, and under settings just tap on connections, then tap on SIM manager, and from here just disable any eSIM which you have added. After you do that, then just go to your home screen, then tap and hold on the Galaxy Store icon. From here just tap on the info icon, and on this page just scroll down and tap on storage. From here just select clear cache, then tap on clear data and select delete. After you clear the cache and the data of the Galaxy Store, then just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store on your phone. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just install any VPN which you prefer. Now for an example, I'll install this VPN. Now just tap on open and select allow. Now just give this app all these permissions. Now from here, just select the region to which you want to change your Galaxy Store. For example, I'll select the US, then tap on connect. Select OK. Now after you connect your phone to your VPN network, then just go to your home screen and open the Galaxy Store. Now just select continue. As you can see, we have successfully changed the region of our phone. Now just tap on continue. Now in the search bar, just search the name of the app which you want to install. Now after you do that, all the apps which are not available in your region will appear in the Galaxy Store, and you will be able to install them on your phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.